Welcome to MLS Online Virtual Classroom. Today, in Unit 2, My Beautiful Memories, we will cover the section of grammar in which we will learn about prepositions of position, direction, and time. So, open up page number 32 and let's get started. First of all, let us see what are prepositions. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between two words. They are of different types. The first type that we're going to study is a preposition of position that tells us where things and persons are. They tell us if something is in, on, in front, under, behind, between, or near something. For example, I am standing near the library. Here, near is the preposition of position and it is telling where I am standing. Similarly, read the rest of the examples on the book by yourself. Now, let's come to the second type, which is preposition of direction. It helps us to show direction and movement from one place to another. For example, I like going to my village. Now here, to is a preposition of direction and it is showing us that I like to go from like one place, which is maybe a city, to my village. Now let's come to the third type, which is preposition of time. It shows the time when something happens or happened. For example, I read storybooks on weekends. Here, on is telling us the time that when do I read storybooks or when does this thing happen? It happens on the weekends. Now you can pause the video and read the rest of the examples for the better understanding. Once you are done reading, let's come to an activity. Make some sentences using prepositions of position, direction, and time on a loose sheet. I have made the sentences for you as well. Let's look at the first sentence. The red ball is in front of the blue box. Here, in front is a preposition of position. It is telling the position of the red ball, that it is in front of the blue box. Now let's come to the second example. Our friends live just across the street. Here, across is telling us the preposition of direction, that in which direction does the friend live or where do the friends live. Let's come to the last sentence. My brother's staying in London until Friday. Here, until is the preposition of time. It is telling till which time, which particular time is the brother going to stay in Friday. Similarly, make 5 sentences for each type of preposition on a loose sheet.